Hello folks, this is my inside the truck here, Chestnut, Wyoming. Look at this. My window all got frozen. That is -5 degrees is here, colder than probably Alaska and North Pole at this moment. Afraid to open the door, but look at this. That is inside my truck, how this cold weather would be. I'm going out soon. Woohoo! It's very cold outside here. It's very cold. This place is diesel price right now $4.73. I was feeling at Denver, Colorado. That's cheaper. I got $3.65. Lowest you can get that diesel fuel cost $3.65. This place a little price higher, $4.68. Still cheaper than Pennsylvania, New York, New Jersey, and over there like a $5 probably 75 cents. Alright, so long folks, it's too cold to continue video on. I'm gonna get some white milk, get some snaps for tonight. Alright, so long, bye.